Are you feeling constantly bloated, sluggish, or just uncomfortable in your own body? Ever wondered if the root cause might be your gut health? If you're tired of feeling out of sync and ready to improve your digestion, energy levels, and overall health, then this video is for you. 5 amazing foods to improve your gut health. We often overlook how essential our gut is to our well-being. Did you know that an unhealthy gut can lead to everything from bloating to skin problems, fatigue, and even anxiety? Yep, it's that powerful. But here's the good news: there are simple, everyday foods that can completely transform your gut health. No pills or expensive treatments required. Welcome back to Beyour Health. In this video, I'll show you 5 amazing foods that can improve your gut health naturally. By the end, you'll be ready to revamp your diet and start feeling your best. We have included 3 step-by-step recipes easy to add into your diet. Before we continue, remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is no substitute for professional health advice. Before we jump in, let me ask you, what if I told you that just one of these foods could drastically improve your digestion in as little as a week? Stick around to find out which one. Now, let's get real for a minute. How many times have you felt uncomfortable after a meal? Bloated? Gassy? It's not just annoying, it's exhausting. And trust me, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with digestive issues that make them feel sluggish and uncomfortable. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. Your gut is resilient, and with the right foods, you can not only heal it but thrive. So, what are these miracle foods? Let's dive into the 5 foods that will have your gut thanking you. Food 1, yogurt. First on the list, yogurt. But not just any yogurt, we're talking about plain, unsweetened yogurt packed with probiotics. These live bacteria are crucial for maintaining a healthy balance of gut flora. A study published in the Journal of Dairy Science showed that probiotics in yogurt can significantly reduce bloating and digestive discomfort in people with lactose intolerance. You see, our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, some good, some not so good. Yogurt helps keep those beneficial bacteria in check, leading to smoother digestion and less bloating. Power tip: opt for yogurt with live active cultures. Yogurt with fruits. You can make it even more delicious by adding some fresh fruits or a drizzle of honey. For a tasty snack that's also good for your gut. Moving on to the next powerhouse. Simple, yet incredibly effective. Food 2, kefir. Next up is a close cousin of yogurt, kefir. If you've never heard of kefir, think of it as yogurt's more powerful sibling. It's a fermented drink loaded with a wider variety of probiotics, which means more benefits for your gut. Research published in Frontiers in Microbiology highlights kefir's effectiveness in improving digestion and boosting immunity. Pours kefir into a glass, sips it. Kefir is slightly tangy, and you can enjoy it on its own or add it to your smoothies. If you're looking to supercharge your gut health, kefir is a game changer. Enjoy it on its own, add it to smoothies, or pour it over your cereal for a tangy twist. Now, let's spice things up with the next food. If you're excited to learn more, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health content. Food 3, kimchi. Third on the list is one of my personal favorites, kimchi. This traditional Korean dish is not only delicious but incredibly beneficial for your gut. Fermented cabbage, garlic, and spices, kimchi is rich in probiotics and helps boost your gut's bacteria diversity. This dish is excellent for digestion and is even thought to support a healthy immune system. Probiotic powerhouse. Adds a spoonful of kimchi to a dish. Add it to your meals as a side dish or enjoy it on its own. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food suggests that kimchi not only aids digestion but may also improve cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Add it to your meals as a side dish, and your gut will love you for it. Now, let's switch gears from probiotics to prebiotics. Food 4, garlic. Now let's talk about garlic. Unlike the others, garlic is a prebiotic, which means it doesn't contain live bacteria. Instead, it feeds the good bacteria already in your gut, helping them grow and thrive. So, every time you season your meals with garlic, you're giving your gut bacteria the fuel they need to keep your digestion running smoothly. According to research from the Journal of Nutrition, Prebiotics like garlic enhance the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which can improve overall gut function and even reduce the risk of certain digestive disorders. Next time you're cooking, toss in a bit of garlic for both flavor and gut support. And now, onto the final gut-loving food. Chops garlic and adds it to a sizzling pan. And who doesn't love the flavor of garlic in their meals? Food 5, oats. Pours oats into a bowl. Last but not least, oats. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which is vital for a healthy gut. This fiber helps bulk up your stool and promotes regular bowel movements. It also acts as food for your gut bacteria, which means happier, healthier digestion. Whether it's breakfast or a snack, oats are an easy, delicious way to improve your gut health. Recap of benefits. Let's do a quick recap of how these 5 foods benefit your gut. 1. Yogurt, packed with probiotics to support healthy gut flora. 2. Kefir, a stronger probiotic with more bacteria strains for gut healing. 3. Kimchi, adds diversity to your gut bacteria and supports digestion. 4. Garlic, a prebiotic that fuels the good bacteria already in your gut. 5. Oats, rich in soluble fiber to support bowel movements and nourish gut bacteria. So, which food could give you noticeable results in just a week? Drumroll. It's kefir. Because of its wide variety of probiotics, kefir has been shown to improve gut health quickly and effectively. Try incorporating it into your daily routine and see how your digestion feels. Remember, gut health isn't just about digestion, it impacts your mood, energy, and overall well-being. By adding these 5 foods to your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. Subscribe for more gut health tips. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who needs a gut health boost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Recipe time, step-by-step recipes. Recipe 1. Gut healing yogurt parfait. Let's dive into our first gut-friendly recipe, a gut healing yogurt parfait. Ingredients: 1 cup of plain unsweetened yogurt, with live active cultures, ½ cup of mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a drizzle of honey. Optional steps. 1. Step 1. In a bowl or jar, add a layer of yogurt. 2. Step 2. Add a handful of mixed berries. 3. Step 3. Sprinkle with chia seeds for added fiber. 4. Step 4. Drizzle with honey if you like a bit of sweetness. This parfait is not only packed with probiotics, but the fiber in the chia seeds and berries will keep your gut happy. Recipe 2. Kefir smoothie power boost. Now, here's an easy kefir smoothie power boost recipe that you can make in minutes. Ingredients: 1 cup of kefir, 1 banana, ½ cup of spinach, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of honey. Optional. Steps. 1. Step 1. Pour 1 cup of kefir into a blender. 2. Step 2. Add a banana, spinach, peanut butter, and honey if desired. 3. Step 3. Blend until smooth and enjoy. This smoothie is rich in probiotics from the kefir, and the fiber from the spinach and banana will help keep your gut in top shape. Recipe 3. Quick kimchi stir fry. Finally, let's spice things up with a simple kimchi stir fry. Ingredients: 1 cup of kimchi, 1 small onion, sliced, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, ½ cup of tofu or chicken. Optional. Steps. 1. Step 1. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. 2. Step 2. Add minced garlic and sliced onions, sauté until golden. 3. Step 3. Add 1 cup of kimchi and stir for 3 to 5 minutes. 4. Step 4. If desired, add tofu or chicken for extra protein. This stir fry is loaded with probiotics and prebiotics for a gut health double punch. Testimonial: I want to share a quick story from one of our viewers, Sarah, who started incorporating these foods into her daily routine. She said within just 2 weeks, her bloating reduced, her digestion improved, and she felt more energized overall. Isn't that amazing? Share your story. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these foods? What changes have you noticed in your gut health? Leave a comment down below and share your experience with us. Let's build a community that supports each other and for better health. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who needs a gut health boost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.